Imagine giving a 5-year-old a piece of gold. He would probably try to eat it. But I just taught my nephew Bitcoin, and now he is basically a financial mastermind. Most people think Bitcoin is some magic computer money for hackers, but it is actually way simpler than your bank account. Stay tuned because in the next 3 minutes, I'm going to show you the exact moment his brain exploded with genius, and you will finally understand the future of money better than a Wall Street banker. First, I told Timmy to think about his piggy bank. The problem is, if he wants to buy a toy, he has to ask his parents for the money. The parents are the bank. They can say no, they can lose the keys, or they can even take a little bit of his candy as a fee. It is frustrating, right? But then I told him about the magic notebook, and this is where it gets interesting. Imagine a notebook that everyone in the world has a copy of. Every time someone sends money, everyone writes it down at the exact same time. You cannot erase it and you cannot lie about it. Timmy asked, "What if I just use a purple crayon and change the numbers in my book?" That is the billion-dollar question. If Timmy tries to cheat, everyone else looks at their copies and says, "Hey, that is not what our books say." They just ignore his fake numbers. It is a system that does not need a boss or a bank. It is the first time in history we have money that belongs only to the person holding it. But wait until you hear the part about the limited edition cookies, because this is why the value goes to the moon. Imagine there are only 21 million special cookies in the entire universe. Once they are gone, no more can ever be made. Everyone wants a cookie because they are so rare. Timmy realized that if he holds onto his cookie while everyone else is searching for them, his little snack becomes the most valuable thing in the playground. That is exactly how Bitcoin works. It is digital gold that nobody can print more of. Bitcoin is just a digital version of that rare cookie, combined with a notebook that nobody can cheat. By the time we finished our talk, Timmy was already explaining it to his stuffed animals. If a 5-year-old can become an expert in 3 minutes, you are already ahead of the game. If you found this helpful and want to grow your brain like Timmy, smash that like and subscribe button for more awesome content. I will see you in the next one.